Okay, so I've got my site list here. So this is actually SE Rocket, and this is what they've given me. It's basically a bunch of text files with the target URLs in them. So let's go over here to article, and it's going to show you all these different article websites that allow you to submit an article to them. So let's go ahead and see, how do we import that? So we would go over to our GSA, and you'd right click on your project, and you go over here to import target URLs. So I can do it from a file, a folder, from projects, from site lists, import accounts, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to go ahead and do import from a file. I'm going to import those edu links. Okay, so I've navigated to the folder that I have all my site lists in here. Now you can go ahead and literally select all of them and click open, and it'll import the huge list into there. But I'm going to go ahead and just do the edu ones right here. Randomize the list. I'm just going to hit no, and it's imported 1,000 URLs into this project, which is great. So now I'm going to select everything. I'm going to set the status inactive. I'm going to set this one to active. So I'm going to hit play. I'm going to hit start, but just know that there's more to the story here. So let's go ahead and check it out and see how it's running. I do a test run. Okay, so I've let it run a little bit there. The problem is I don't have a proxy. I don't have proxy set up on here. That's going to be later in the course. But with just the IP I have on my computer, it's gone ahead and submitted a couple. So let's go ahead and check them out. I've just opened up a couple links, and I wanted to show you what's going on. So it's going to go ahead and post links on multiple different countries, so don't be alarmed if you find some countries in different languages. That's totally normal. So here's one over here. It's .gov, and if I scroll down, you'll see the comment section that's open, and you can see so many people are leaving backlinks, basically using this method here, getting a backlink from this government website. This one I'm loading over here, the same thing. This one is a .edu website, and you can see all the blog comments here. These are all links, people getting links to their website. So I think you guys get the gist of it. Let's go back to our software. These are all the new backlinks that we've built to our URL there. Obviously it's Google, but these are all already verified links that it's posted using the edu and government list from SE Rocket. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more, you can find the full course on udemy.com. The link in the description.